Hello, hello, I'm here with Lisa and we are going to be reviewing the movie Vacation Friends 2. This is from 2023. It's rated R. It's 1 hour and 45 minutes long. It's a comedy. And the vacation friends reunite at a resort, but it soon turns into a wild adventure. Well, that doesn't tell you much about the movie. It's, you know, adventure-y comedy. It really felt similar to the first one. I think the first one was a little bit more entertaining, but I'm really not a fan of either of these movies, the first or the second one. I don't know, it just felt like they were repeating the same shit that they did in the first movie, just in a different location and with some extra different, you know, actors that weren't participating in the first one. I don't know. To me, this movie felt short. I didn't feel like it was very funny. I didn't even think it was very interesting as far as the adventure, you know, side of it. Lisa, what did you think of it?
I think they ruined the second one compared to the first one. The first one was way better. They brought in the father. They brought in a baby for the people that are the partiers and stuff. And it just didn't have the same feel as the first one to me. Because they just kind of ruined it with those two factors alone. To me, but...
Yeah, I agree. I feel like they
could have just remade the first movie in a different location, like you said, and I probably would have been happier.
Yeah.
But them adding the father and the baby aspect, it just was like, come on. Like, it just...
It was a lot. It was a lot. There was a lot going on.
It wasn't for me.
A lot of what was going on didn't make a lot of sense, like logically or reasonably or anything. So.
Because I really liked the multiple actors in this movie.
I do like a lot of the performers, yes.
But it fell flat for us.
I think my problem with the movie, the biggest problem I have with it, is the script.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the biggest problem I had with it. Was
feels like it was rushed again. Or rushed compared to the first one. The first one had a little more. It was better storyline, I would say. Definitely,
the second one did not entertain me as much as the first one, and the first one didn't entertain me much. So, I would not watch this movie again. I would not recommend it to others. I will put a link below if you're interested. But yeah, this isn't one that I would watch again or recommend to others. I wouldn't recommend the first one to others either, though. But but yeah, if you have seen Vacation Friends 2, let me know what your thoughts are of it, and maybe it was something you like. Maybe I'm missing the mark on some scenes that were epic. If so, let me know. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.